We're back in the van, Spencer. You had a good night's sleep? Yeah. So we still got a lot of cleaning to do and organizing. Look at the back wall here. We're back in the van, and it's great that Spencer has his collection of books and toys. Yeah. Where's the duck? Right there, there's a duck. Yeah. It's day 46 of us being in Montana. And if you saw our previous video, you'll know that we hit a deer on the way to Yellowstone, and this whole time we've been in Billings, we've been waiting for the repairs of our van. But we finally got our van back yesterday from the back and forth delays of the repair, and we moved back in here yesterday, last night. We had a good sleep back on our own beds, and we're ready to get going and continue our journey over to Yellowstone. All right, this morning we're not gonna make breakfast in the van. We wanna make some progress and kind of get going. And before we go, we need to stock up on a few things. We gotta get more grocery. We gotta buy a few things that we're missing before we head into the wilderness of Yellowstone. Thank you, Auto Auctions of Montana, for letting us park here tonight and getting our van back in perfect working order. We got Spencer some pancakes. Not the healthiest breakfast, but we'll make it do today. Let's fill up our water tank and fill up our gas tank before we continue. What we're buying for our van today. Got some meats, dog food, toys, extra water, garbage bags, some fruits, yogurt. Rena found a little hack to get rid of all your clothes. Just use it as a checkout at Walmart. I think it's going too fast, but I think it's fine. So I ordered these deer whistle from Amazon. I heard about it from some guy in Canada. I'm not sure if it actually works or not. The reviews are kind of 50-50, but I'm gonna install them anyway. So what they do is they are installed, I believe, on the grill of the van, and they produce a high pitch, high frequency pitch that we don't hear when we're driving it, and that should alert the deer that there's a car coming. So let's see if this will work, but let's get it installed. I just installed 4 of them. One right here, one down here, one here, and one here. I don't know if it'll stay when we're driving, but I think I'm just gonna do 4, and I can add on to it afterwards if I need to, because I got a bunch of them. All right, hope they work. We're done with Walmart, and before we're leaving Billings, we're gonna make a quick stop at Costco. Nothing really beats the quality and the price of the steaks at Costco. What do we buy? We're buying the steak. We got baby wipes, some fruit pouches, and a rotisserie chicken.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama's behind us. The next destination where we're gonna go is gonna be Red Lodge. It's about an hour and 15 minutes away from Billings here. So that's, let's get going. Start our journey again.
Oh, wavy grass. It's so tall. 15, 16, 17, 18.
And snowstorms can happen at any time. area wasn't exactly uninhabited like... In 1884, as a mail stop on the Meeteetse Trail, which started in Meeteetse that the name Red Lodge came rich coal fields near Red Lodge. To mine a newly constructed rail line created a boom of area mines were forced to close. The fact that the town was literally...
Over here? Let's find a good spot. This is where we will be camping for tonight. This is part of the Beartooth Highway. We're just 10 minutes outside of Red Lodge. Beartooth Highway is supposed to be one of America's most beautiful and scenic highway. This highway will usually close in the winter time, usually starting by mid-October. So we're lucky that we're still here and we weren't stuck in Billings for too long, and we're able to cross this very scenic route. And if you guys want to see what all this hype is about for the Beartooth Highway, be sure to check out our video tomorrow. So I'm going to end the video here. We're going to settle into this beautiful forest, national forest that we found on Overlander, and call it a night. And tomorrow we're going to start making our way over to Yellowstone via the Beartooth Highway. Stay tuned for the Beartooth Highway video tomorrow. We'll see you soon. Bye.